Guys, so welcome back to another video. Today's video is a baking slash talk video. I love talking videos with you guys, but currently I am leaving dinner. I was supposed to film this video today, but I went out to dinner with a few people. I'm in the car. I'm going home because it is fucking cold and it's like 8:40 and I need to get in the car. I'm driving myself, guys. Oh my god, it's so cold.
Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy.
Oh my god. I haven't drove such a long time. I used to be really close to the steering wheel. You know, I'm starting the car because it's froze. So cold. So cold.
I know you got a ton of work to do tonight. Thank you for letting us be your soundtrack.
Little intro for my video is to film me leaving dinner. Cute. I'm gonna get in the car. I'm actually driving, guys, to my grandma. So that's what I'm doing. And I thought I would start off this video by doing something random, totally off video, but yeah. This video will be posted for you on Thursday. Or if y'all want a same day post, I might do a poll, but I'm most likely just gonna do it on Thursday because I don't really want to have to clean everything, store everything, edit, post in the same day. I feel like that's just too much. And fans want to like wait a day, like the anticipation. So I'm just gonna put my seatbelt on. Safety first, ladies. I need to pull down my shirt. See you guys when I get home. Maybe I'll have my grandma film me. Hey guys, so it is currently, what day is it? Wednesday? And I don't really feel the best, but I'm gonna get up and I'm gonna film this video for you guys. So I have like a bad cough and literally everybody at school has been coughing and sick, so I'm not surprised that it hit me, but I've been taking medicine and using hand sanitizer and trying to be as clean as possible. But let's go and start this video. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna get out some of the ingredients. So first, we're gonna wash our hands because sickness has been going around, and I don't want to get better. I don't want to be sick. And whatever if you have on your hand when you're baking, that's gonna go on your food, and people are gonna be eating it, and we don't want to have germs. So just make sure you're washing your hands. I really want to get in the shower. It's so cold. Okay. Hands are washed. Soap. I'm gonna put back, and I'm gonna just dry my hands off. Some paper towel. But guys, if you guys are wondering what is this video is a baking video, a baking and talk video. So today we're gonna be making blueberry and chocolate chip muffins. So when I was like thinking what would be a good idea for a video, I was like, a baking video would be a great idea. So I didn't want to just like bake something that I'm just not gonna use. So, yeah. So we're gonna be using this for breakfast in the morning. I'm excited for these. So this is gonna be kind of weird because I'm sharing this one bag of mix with 2 different recipes, I guess. So this half this bag is gonna go in each bowl. I like chocolate chip muffins. Yeah, I like blueberry more, but maybe I'll make like a little bit more blueberry. I don't know. This bowl is gonna be strictly for blueberry, and this is gonna be for chocolate chip. Okay, so now we just put it in the bowls. This is what it's looking like. But the bowls are looking like. This one's for blueberries, this one's for chocolate chip. Okay. First thing we need to do is strain this and strain the juice out, because if you do, like, it's too much juice, I guess. So, I don't like using can openers, so, okay. It takes, like, too much work. Okay. So, like, I open it about halfway, and what I'll do is, like, hold it, and I'll, like, juice out. Not all, but like most of it. And then I'll clean my sink out because I don't want it to like stain. Oh no, can blueberry juice stain? I'm assuming it can. So I just squeeze it out, and now I'm gonna put it in the bowl. Oh shit. Shoot. Oh shoot. Sorry for my young viewers. Profanity is not good. I think I want to rewatch Pretty Little Liars. It's my favorite show. You guys are looking for like a good like mystery show? I recommend Pretty Little Liars. It's a good show. It's just dumb sometimes, but it's a good show. Okay, so now I need the blueberries. I actually don't like blueberries by itself, but I love like blueberry endings. They're like blueberry pancakes, blueberry muffins. I'm just not a fan of blueberries itself. Like, they're just too bitter. So now we're gonna take some chocolate chips. I don't know how much I'm gonna put in. Maybe like that one. That's probably too lot. But I don't know how we're doing these measurements. So 2 eggs. Each bowl is gonna get an egg. So let's go ahead and grab an egg for this. I'm literally like not a baker, guys. Okay, I'm trying to get the eggs out. Eggs are so expensive, guys. I literally went to the store to get this stuff last night, and eggs were like $4 at Aldi's, and I'm like, yeah, we're good. I'm not bad at cracking eggs, so beware. Oh, that was pretty good. Yeah, eggs are expensive, and honestly makes me want to like get my own chickens. But I need like a lot cheaper. Oh god, I'm a little bit sick, guys. So 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. Honestly, I'm gonna do 1/2 because it's smaller, but like, I don't know, because like I am like, you know, I split it in half, so I'm gonna do like smaller measurements, but if it needs more water, I can obviously add more. And then 1/3, so I'm gonna use this again for olive oil. I don't even know if this is gonna be right. Olive oil, oh, ew. Whatever. Once I'm done pouring in the olive oil, I'll show you guys what it's looking like. Okay. Hey guys, it's actually looking decent. So let me flip the camera around and show you guys like what I'm working with. This is what we're working with. These look gross right now, but they're not mixed yet. But this is the blueberry, this is the chocolate chip. So yeah. So now, literally today at school, boring. Snow coming is this weekend. Snow, something like that. Is this weekend, and me and my friend CB are going. If y'all know CB, he does music. Y'all go listen to him. I think you can find him on like Spotify and all that good stuff. Well, we're going together, and we weren't always like good friends. Like we've had like a lot of classes this year. We have 2, and we talk in classes. So we were like, oh, do you want to go together? Like, yeah. So we're gonna look good. We're gonna look iconic. We're gonna be looking good. Like we're gonna be even what it's supposed to be gay. I don't really know what he's wearing, but I mean, it's not like we're just going as friends. So yeah, I'm super excited to go. I went last year with my friend Justin, but he doesn't want to go, so I was like, okay. I wanted to go. Like I don't even care if it's boring. This is like the point of like saying, oh yeah, I went to all the dances. But guys, this is the blueberry mixture. This actually looks good. And now we're gonna go in and do the chocolate chip. I've never made chocolate chip muffins before, so this is the first. God, I'm hoping like none of this gets on my clothes. But yeah, like literally I'm just excited to go, and I hope it's fun. It usually is fun. Just the songs aren't always like the best, but you know, that's okay. But we're gonna go cute, take photos. My friend Jason's also going with his man. I'm not gonna say who, but he's going. So it's lit. So yeah, that's this weekend. I would go to the game on Friday, but I work, so. But this is the blueberry. Chocolate chip actually looks good. So now we figure out what I want to like cook these in, because I have like mini pans. Oh, okay. So we have like these little donut ones. I want to use these. Oh God. Okay, so we have. Okay, I'm gonna use these. So these are kind of like silicone, and like you just like put them in there, and they're like different molds. I used these last time we made these. I'm gonna put in my area, and then I'll be back. Oh. Okay guys, we have the mix, the muffin pans that I'm gonna be using. These ones are mini, and these ones are kind of like donut ones, bigger ones, whatever. I'm just gonna like shake it out. Last time I used these were for muffins, so I'm not gonna be. Now we're gonna go in with a little bit of original spray, just to spray it. Make sure they don't stick. Boom. Now I'm gonna do like the donut ones. This is actually kind of a good angle. I was kind of like nervous, but like I didn't know how I was gonna set this up, but it worked out. So now we're gonna do some of the blueberry ones. I think this is too thick for some reason. I don't know. I'm gonna put a little bit more water because it's like really thick. And I don't think it's supposed to be like thick. It's like supposed to obviously be thick, but it's too thick. So just going to put a little bit more water. And now it's kind of a better consistency. Now I'm going to put it in the thing. That was probably a little bit too much. Oh, this is so cute. So I'm gonna do 3 like big donut ones. The reason why I'm saying donut is because like they're donut shaped. And then I'm gonna do kind of like half and half, kind of. With these like. But yeah, it's so cute. And I've never made like homemade chocolate chip ones. I've only ever made Well, these are not even homemade, but I've never made blueberries, so I'm actually excited. And these are a good, like, quick thing to eat in the morning because I don't ever have time to eat. I wake up late, so it's like this is gonna be like something quick and easy. Half this mix is already like gone already, so that's good. I'm trying not to add too much, but we're almost done. This is like how much mix is left. There's not much. I'm like, this is like Brianna the Baker. Baker edition. I look a mess. But guys, this is supposed to be like a cool video that you guys can enjoy me baking. But I definitely want to do more baking videos if that's something you like, y'all find interesting. Because I definitely love to bake. I'm actually praying that these taste good. Okay, this is not even enough. Okay, so now we're done with the chocolate chip. The bowl is like empty. And now we're gonna do the blueberry. I'm actually so excited for the blueberry. It looks so good. I just don't like scooping these in here. It takes forever. And I don't like doing the dishes after because it absolutely takes forever. Oh my god, guys. Can y'all see what I'm doing here? Hopefully. But this is what I have so far. Literally, I like muffins. They're good. I think they're like a cute little like breakfast food. I'm literally making a mess. Oh my god. I'm hoping that this is like having the slots because like look, it's like kind of getting full a little bit. I definitely don't like feel the best today, and I definitely still wanted to like make sure I film a video because like I have to feed y'all, so some content. Okay guys, I think we're gonna do good with like filling this up because it's like this much, and I still have the little donut ones. So yeah. But yeah, this is kind of cute. This is so relaxing. It's giving like Nara Smith Aldi edition because like I didn't make these homemade, but I made them from the heart. Okay guys, I don't think we're gonna have enough for the donut ones. Okay, let me film the donut ones for you guys. I don't think I'm have enough. Like look. Oh my god. Okay, so I guess I did like, you know, do this good then, because I was scared that I wasn't gonna have enough like batter for all this, but it looks like I have more than enough. God, I'm actually trying to scrape the bowl because I don't. Maybe I should take a little bit out of these ones, just a little bit. This is so like, this is giving Nara Smith. Because that girl, she be making everything from scratch, bro. Deodorant, hair cream. She's probably shaving cream too, bro. I don't really like, I don't often make things from scratch. I don't think I've ever made anything from scratch. That's like too much work. Okay, I'm taking some from the muffin pan. Because I low-key forgot, like, these do raise. And, yeah. Okay, guys, so this is our finished product. I'll show you guys. This is what the muffins, chocolate chip, blueberry, chocolate chip, blueberry. So now we're gonna put them on a pan and put them in the oven. Okay, let me get the pan. I'm using these like big ones, so. Anybody else store like their pans in the oven? I do. We got this dusty pan, and I'm just gonna put it on. This is the only spot I've opened, so okay. See, look, it's like this, and then we have room for them. These ones. So. Cute. Okay, let me put my phone. Okay, look at the counter, it's so messy. Okay guys, so now it's time to put them in the oven. I'm gonna see, I don't believe in preheating no oven. I'm gonna just stick it in and it's gonna be good. Okay, so I don't really know what to do here because these are like based on pan measurements. Okay, we're gonna do 11 minutes. It says 11 to 14 minutes, so maybe I'll just do 12 minutes. That works. And what temperature? 420. 420. That's a little bit. It's a little bit high. But now the oven should be turning on. Okay, it's turning on. Let me show you guys. The little monologue of me putting it in the oven. Oh my god. And in the oven they go. Okay, now we have to clean up. I feel like nobody really shows like the aftermath of baking videos. So I'm just gonna be honest. I'm gonna clean these bowls while I'm videoing, cause why not? But guys, I literally cannot believe that we're halfway through sophomore year, which is so crazy because I can't believe like this year I'm turning 16. That's so crazy. Like, this is crazy how time flies, and so far second semester has been okay. I mean, nothing exciting, obviously. My classes are okay. My least favorite class is probably math. I sit with Cameron, but I don't really like overlearning it, and it kind of doesn't make sense. And my teacher, he's so funny. Like, I will give him that. He's like, I just wash these out. He's so funny. These will go in the dishwasher, don't worry. He's funny, but he does not know how to teach. Like, he literally just, like, goes to the problems. Like, he doesn't explain how we got the answers. He doesn't explain, like, where these numbers come from. And it's just kind of annoying because it's, like, it's kind of annoying because it's, like, I don't know what, like, every equation there's a number 3. Like, where is 3 coming from? And there will be, like, and there won't be, no 3 in the problem or in the triangle. It will just be, like, 3. So it's just kind of annoying because it's like I don't know where he gets these answers from, and I don't really want to ask him because like he like calls out everybody. Like, he literally clogs people's tea every day. But I guess that class is funny. Probably the class I laugh the most. But right now we're going to just wait for it to come back. I mean, not to come back. Wait for these muffins to be done, and then I will come back and we will taste test them, and yeah. Hey guys, it is currently sun is setting, basically, and it's so beautiful, and it's so pretty, and I thought, come back, and we're checking the muffins, and I think they're done. I'm gonna look at you guys look. I think they're done. Let me put like a fork in it and see.
Yo, and how long you been doing hair?
For like 3 years.
Yeah, that's cute. Can you turn around for me? Yeah.
The sun's setting and it looks so pretty out. I love sunsets. I've never seen the sun rise yet. I don't think so. I don't think I've ever did that. Okay, guys, the muffins are done, so we're gonna take them out the oven. Actually, super nervous too. I'm actually super nervous to pick them out. There's been a cold winter in Iowa with no snow. Like, it's been so cold. These days, it's been getting, like, a little bit warmer, but, like, the wind is just horrible. It makes it worse. But my muffins are done. We're gonna let them sit and, like, cool off. And when, like, they're cool, I will come back and we will try a chocolate chip muffin and a blueberry muffin. And I'm gonna be setting, like, a 10-minute timer to let them cool down. 15 minutes since I took it out the oven, and I think it should be cool by now. I'm hoping, because I don't really want to eat like hot muffins, warm muffins, if that makes any sense. Okay. No, okay, we're gonna try a chocolate chip muffin. Okay, this is it. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh my God, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on, boy. You get your goddamn ugly ass on.
It's okay. It's okay. I mean, that's good. Pretty good. Huh? I want to do a blueberry. I think I want like a 5 out of 10. Here's blueberry. This is so good. The blueberry. This is really good. These blueberry ones are good. Yeah, this is a good product. Chocolate chip ones are mid. Blueberry ones are really good. Very blueberry, very good, very moist. But, guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this baking video. Let me know if you guys ever want another baking video, because I'd be totally up to doing it. And now I have something to eat for breakfast for the rest of the week. So I want to say thank you guys for watching. And this video will come out on Thursday. And another video will come out on Sunday. So, yeah, the Sunday video is going to be my SnowCo 2025 vlog. And, yeah, so I want to thank you guys for watching. And I hope you guys have a great night, day, week. And I love you guys so much. So, bye. Thank you for watching.